एहसास न्याय का सबके लिए, आकाश न्याय का सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual Jury Care series organized by Goa State Legal Services Authority. I am Sayonara Teleslar, Member Secretary, Goa State Legal Services Authority, and your host for today's session. Today we have with us Shabnam Sheikh, Ad Hoc District and Assistant Sessions Judge, Fast Track Court, who will speak on the topic Legal Services Authority and the role of the media. As you all know, the Legal Services Authority is always proactive in disseminating information about the various schemes and the laws, besides providing free legal aid under Section 12 of the Legal Services Authority Act. We do need the media to spread the awareness about the various schemes and the laws. So, the role of the media in promoting social awareness is very essential. I now welcome Shrimati Shabnam Sheikh to speak on this topic.
If I could start on my topic, I would like to thank the Goa State Legal Service Authority for giving me this opportunity to speak on the topic. I shall now proceed to speak on my topic. There are various acts covering various issues. These acts are introduced and implemented for the benefit of the people, for the welfare of the public, and to protect the citizens who are the law-abiding citizens, and to punish those who act against the law. One such act is Legal Service Authority Act 1987. Under this act there are layers. At the national level, there are National Legal Service Authority, NALSA. At the state level, there is State Legal Service Authority, SALSA. At the district level, there is District Legal Service Authority, DALSA. And at the Taluka level, there are Taluka Legal Service Committee. Under this act, there are certain people who are entitled for legal aid. Who are entitled for legal aid, I will deal little later. Legal aid in common language or in simple language is understood as free lawyer to fight a case or other legal steps. This legal aid scheme was first introduced by Justice P.N. Bhagwati under the Legal Aid Committee formed in 1971. The Legal Service Authority Act is introduced to provide free legal and competent legal services to the weakest section of the society so that they are not deprived of the opportunity of securing justice on account of economic and other disabilities. Article 39A, Article 14, Article 22(1) of the Constitution also take care of legal aid. In fact, Constitution has put responsibility on the state with respect to legal aid. As per Article 39A, the state shall secure the operation of the legal system, promotes justice on a basis of equal opportunity, and shall in particular provide free legal aid by suitable legislation or schemes or in any other way to ensure that opportunity for securing justice are not denied to any citizens by reason of economic or other disabilities. Article 14 and Article 22(1) also make it obligatory for the state to ensure equality before law and a legal system which promotes equal opportunity to all. Under the Legal Service Authority Act 1987, there is encouragement given for Lok Adalat. Lok Adalats are informal proceedings. For the Lok Adalat, a panel is constituted consisting of 3 members, and these members try to convince the people to settle their matter. It is informal because the panel is sitting on the same level with that of the litigants and not on the dais. In the Lok Adalat, you get speedy disposal. Even in a single sitting also the matter gets settled. There is no much procedures followed in Lok Adalat. As for this act, there is also permanent Lok Adalat conducted, and these permanent Lok Adalats are conducted every month in the courts. The pecuniary jurisdiction of the permanent Lok Adalat is 10 lakhs. The amount passed by the Lok Adalats is final and binding on the parties. There are also national Lok Adalats conducted. These national Lok Adalats are conducted after every 2 months, and these national Lok Adalats are conducted in all the courts of India. Many matters pending before the court as well as pre-litigation matters are sent to the courts, and many matters are getting settled. I feel that all those people who have litigation before the court must try to settle the matter before the Lok Adalat and be happy. Now I shall deal with section 12, which speaks about the persons who are entitled for legal aid. In section 12, there are certain people who are entitled for free legal aid, and the people who are entitled for free legal aid are women. Woman is entitled for free legal aid irrespective of her financial capacity, a child, a member of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, victim of mass disaster, earthquakes or industrial disaster, etc., victim of trafficking in human being, beggars. Under Article 23 of the Constitution, there is prohibition of trafficking in human being and forced labor. A person in custody, including custody in a protective home. If any case is filed against any accused, and if he is in custody, and when he is brought before the court, before the magistrate, the first question that the magistrate asks the accused, do you want legal aid? And if the accused says he wants legal aid, immediately legal aid is given to the accused without wasting much time. An industrial workman. If the person's income is less than 3 lakh, this is in Goa, he is entitled for free legal aid. This legal services at various levels conducts various activities to create awareness of various rights and duties under various statutes, duties of citizens. They create awareness about the schemes, government scheme as well as NALSA schemes. They explain the public in their awareness, the procedure to apply for the various schemes. They create this awareness by organizing camps, workshops, seminars, rallies, street play. The PLBs attached also assist to avail the schemes to the public. Then the Legal Service Authority also organizes door-to-door campaign. In this door-to-door campaign, PLBs are sent house to house for campaign, and the PLBs explain to the people about the schemes, various benefit available for the public. The Legal Service Authority also conducts mega legal services camp. Various stalls are put in this mega legal services camp. In this mega legal services camp, the Legal Services Authority invite the various departments to display their various schemes to create awareness in the mega legal services camp. The departments are provided stalls by the Legal Services Authority. In Goa also various mega legal service camps are being conducted. When the Legal Service Authority creates awareness, it creates awareness to certain group of people. But to multiply this awareness, I think the media also should take initiative to cover the legal programs of the Legal Service authorities. Because when the media covers, media telecasts it, in the on the channels which is watched by many people, and when it comes to on the papers also, many people read it. That's how the awareness can be multiplied. The TV channels have particular quota to cover the legal programs, and I feel that if this quota for coverage of legal program is increased, and if more and more programs are conducted to create awareness of legal laws, benefits available to various people, schemes, government as well as NALSA schemes, that will be a very good job, because the awareness will be multiplied, and once people are aware, they will come to avail those benefits available to, entitled for them. Recently, you all are aware that there was amendment to the Motor Vehicle Act. There is amendment to the punishment, the fines are increased. The Legal Service Authority as well as the government are creating awareness about the amendment to the Motor Vehicle Act. But if the media also covers, or if the media also telecasts various programs about this amendment to Motor Vehicle Act as well as other acts, it will be very good and the awareness will be multiplied. The TV channel can call experts, lawyers to intervene on the amended act as well as there are various other acts which requires to be created the creation of awareness. Good cooperation and coordination between the Legal Services Authority and media can do really a good job in creating awareness about the various benefits, various rights, duties of the citizens, various schemes, as the awareness will be to the public at large. In this pandemic situation, especially I feel, the people should take the benefit of various laws and various schemes available to them. Thank you.
You have just heard Shrimati Shabnam Sheikh speaking about the Legal Services Authority and the role of the media. So as you have seen, the media is very important in spreading and disseminating the information as well as the various activities that the Legal Services Authorities conduct. Thank you all for joining us for this session. Looking forward to seeing you all again for the next session on Saturday. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
राष्ट्रीय न्यायिक सेवा प्राधिकरण
न्यायालयातल्या कारवाई खातीर बरो वकील मेळून दिता,
वेळार योग्य कायदा खालची मदत आणि सल्लो दिता,
लोक अदालत द्वारा चड काळच्या केसीक बेगीन सोपयता
आणि तेवूय सामके मोफत.
राष्ट्रीय न्यायिक सेवा प्राधिकरण बेस बरो न्याय, बेस बरो समाज.
अधिक माहिती खातीर लागच्या न्यायालयातल्या न्यायिक सेवा प्राधिकरण कार्यालया लागीं संपर्क करा
वा टोल फ्री नंबर 151000 चेर फोन करा.